Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles and grow a garden. To begin, you'll need to gather very specific ingredients from your virtual garden. This isn't just any waffle recipe. It's tailored for the game's cooking mechanics. Understanding these steps will help you create delicious in-game waffles and potentially unlock valuable rewards. Let's dive into the exact items you need to harvest. For your grow a garden waffle, you must have 1 pumpkin. This serves as a foundational ingredient. Additionally, you'll need to choose 1 other fruit, either a watermelon or a sugar apple. These combinations are the only way to successfully create a waffle in the game. Make sure these items are harvested and ready before heading to the cooking area. Once you have your pumpkin and either watermelon or sugar apple, proceed to the cooking area located in the game lobby. Any cooking pot will work for this recipe, so don't worry about specific colors. Simply place your 2 ingredients into the pot. The cooking process takes precisely 6 minutes and 15 seconds. While it cooks, you can plant more crops or check other game tasks. After your waffle is cooked, collect it from the pot. The next crucial step is to feed it to Chris P. the pig, our favorite food critic in the game. If the waffle matches his current craving, you could score fantastic bonus rewards like gourmet eggs, mutation spray, or even rare seeds. For more great kitchen tips and deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the links in the description below. Happy harvesting and cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.